This video highlights what you'll receive after ordering an SP-600 handheld water multimeter. Inside the SP-600 shipment package, you'll receive a certificate of calibration for all test parameters of your unit, a quick start guide which offers QR codes that direct you to the digital operation manual. A Pyxis Bluetooth USB adapter is provided to enable wireless access through the Pyxis desktop app. You'll receive a 10 ml vial for DPD chlorine test sample preparation. To keep your PHORP module preserved, you'll also receive a 70 ml bottle of Pyxis PHORP storage solution. This solution should be applied to the PHORP module reservoir when not in use or in storage. Finally, you will receive the SP-600 unit in 4 AA batteries. When the batteries are applied, your unit is ready for use. Detailed instructional videos on operation, calibration, and maintenance of your SP-600 can be found on YouTube by searching for Pyxis SP-600.